Every cup I make this symbol. That means if you are dragon, then this is your cup. And in the cup, I have made the blue lotus candle, which is embedded in the cup of your zodiac. That means every different cup have your own star. It belongs to red, then you have the red cup with the blue lotus candle. So that means this is the blue lotus candle, and this is your zodiac. This is your guardian star and your symbols. This is it. Mastering blessing means we don't do through online. We have to do in person. And I'm going to do a mastering blessing with you all. One day, I hope that you will all learn this, and maybe next time you can also learn how to conduct mastering blessing to others. If you are interested to have a clarity cleanse, this is the first step you need to cleanse. With cleansing, then you can restructure yourself. You can reset and renew. It's very personal. Now, you don't do this for like one cup for everyone. I can't do it. When it comes to tying, when it comes to esoteric wisdoms, it can be very, very personal because we are getting one guardian to work with you, your guardian star working with you. So different guardian has different, sets of group of people to work with. You will see that mastering blessing has this concept called 身口意, something that you can learn. It's about your body, your speech, and your mind. It's about visual, your voice, and your hands. This is always a connection that you do in mastering blessing. Okay, the blue lotus oil is a spiritual oil that I do. I do it myself and I handmade it, and I learned this from the Western wisdom, and I find the East and the West is so powerful, and we can put it together. When you have the cup, you're not supposed to drink with this cup when you bring back, right? So you need to go back and burn the candle, and after burning the candle in the center, don't worry, when you do the blessing, we will tell you. We'll give you the notes, the guideline, the tips. But I just want to share with you this because when you go back, after you finish burning the candle in the center, you can wash it. Don't drink it, don't use the cup, but put this cup as a activation, feng shui activation for yourself. So depending on which zodiac you are in, then you place it in that direction. So this is actually feng shui like a bakwa. This is a very powerful activation for 2026 because you are connecting your guardian star in that direction. So when you have the symbol and you place it in this sector, this is where your guardian star is. So if you know you are belongs to which zodiac, right? Maybe you should look at that sector because that's your guardian star. Doesn't matter where is it, even its toilet is okay, but keep it clean. Maybe you notice that why I like to spend my time here, why I always like to sleep here, or why I always like to do my work here, why I feel the energy is very calming in this sector. Maybe it's because your guardian star is your sector. So if you want to find where is your guardian star, look at your zodiac, then you find your sector, that's where your guardian star is. It's a bit unique about other kinds of feng shui that I teach you. It's a deeper version of esoteric feng shui. It's good that you know, okay? Sometimes you fall sick, right? Or you are not well because there's something in your guardian star sector. It's kind of spiritual. Got it?